Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today we're coming at you with this cheap Chinese piece of shite and Steinenbaum. I think there's even some, is there language written on that? I don't know, it kind of looks weird though, doesn't it? Oh, just the way it was rubbing on the package. I don't know. You be the judge. Anyway, we're going to see if the city rake works in this. City rake I have anyway. No way. Oh, no way. Right. No way. I do want to try this fucking motherfucker though. Never use this one and it's bent. Oh no, it's not good. Kinetic tool. So. Oh, there we go. We got it. We got it, man. Oh, I don't know how we did that, but it was this little guy right here. We got the sucker open. Nice. So now we just got to make sure that the keys work for it. Huh. Yeah, I just pulled this out of the package, so yeah, there it goes. It works, but I don't know how I got that. That's impressive. Thank you so much for watching. Here, let me give you a little bit better view of what we're actually looking at here. It's beautiful, man. This is a year-round creek that travels through my family's property. Goes down there, all the way down. Anyway, it's beautiful, man. Beautiful, and I really wanted to share this with you all for my Stock Lock Sunday. By the way, this stock lock was a 63mm heavy padlock. Came with 3 keys. The interesting thing about this guy, it says, made in China, an American company. Package and product designed in the US of A. Yet it was made in China. I don't know. What are you going to do? Anyway, this is the one in question, the one we just opened today. Perhaps in the future we'll see if we can shim it, which I'm sure we probably can, considering the size of those. I just don't have any shims out here with me. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.